are stars, and then there are legends who shine even off camera. As Bollywood remembers the He-Man of Indian cinema following his passing, Javed Akhtar's recollection from a 1969 film set is going viral because it says more about Dharmender than any box office number ever could. A 20-year-old assistant director earning just 175 rupees a month makes a small mistake. A superstar at his peak, with every right to ignore it, reacts sharply. But what happened next left young Javed embarrassed and even today still in awe. Because Dharmender did not just let it go, he apologized. A gesture so humble and unexpected that it became one of the most defining stories of his character. In a recent interview, veteran writer Javed Akhtar recalled the day on the sets of Yaqeen when he accidentally handed Dharmender the wrong scene page. Irritated, Dharmender threw the sheet back and loudly said, "Correct page do yaar." For Javed, then a nobody, the comment stung, but he silently absorbed it. The scene wrapped, everyone moved on, or so he thought. Hours later, Dharmender called him to his room. What followed stunned the young crew member. The superstar, whom everyone admired and sometimes feared, said with humility, "The way I spoke to you is wrong. My eyes are bothering me a bit, which is why I'm a bit irritated. I shouldn't have spoken to you like that. I'm sorry." A star apologizing to an assistant was unheard of at that time. Javed says there was absolutely no need, yet the gesture revealed the man behind the fame. If you're somebody, people are good to you. That is not surprising. But when you are a nobody and a person of that stature is kind to you, you recognize a humane person. Dharmender was playing a double role in the film. One of the characters had light eyes, so he needed to wear contact lenses that constantly irritated him. Years later, Javed also wrote one of Dharmender's most iconic characters, Veeru, in Sholay. The mutual respect remained, so much so that when Dharmender launched his son Sunny Deol with Betab, he trusted Javed to write the film. That day, Dharmender did not just correct a mistake on set. His action showcased dignity. Dharmender didn't need to apologize, yet he chose to. Stardom may come from success, but legacy is built on humility.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.